वेलकम टु स्मार्ट जिकेमा तपाईँ सबैलाई स्वागत छ। हरेक बुधबारका दिन हामी कुनै न कुनै विषयवस्तुलाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा ल्याउने गरेका छौँ र त्यही क्रममा आज म्यानेजमेन्ट एन्ड अकाउन्टेन्सी सम्बन्धी विविध 50वटा मल्टिपल चोइस क्वेसन्स लिएर उपस्थित भएकी छु। मेरो नाम हो श्रद्धा श्रेष्ठ। यो म्यानेजमेन्ट एन्ड अकाउन्टेन्सी चाहिँ नेपाल राष्ट्र ब्याङ्क सहायक द्वितीयको प्रिटेस्ट र साथसाथै यदि तपाईँहरूले सुब्बामा तेस्रो पत्रमा म्यानेजमेन्ट एन्ड अकाउन्टेन्सी लिनुभएको छ भने त्यसको लागि पनि सहयोगी हुनेछ। र नेपाल राष्ट्र ब्याङ्क 7 दिने क्र्यास कोर्स हुन लागिरहेको छ। यही 15 गते शुल्क रहेको छ रु 1000। यो क्र्यास कोर्स चाहिँ स्मार्ट कार्यक्रमी बुद्धनगर काठमाडौँ बुटल पावर कम्पनी लिमिटेड नजिकै रहेको छ। यदि यसमा सहभागिता जनाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने यहाँ दिएको नम्बरमा कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नुहोला। सुब्बाको पनि तयारी कक्षाहरू भइरहेको छ। यदि त्यो पनि गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने यहाँ दिएको नम्बरमा सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला। र नेपाल राष्ट्र ब्याङ्क सहायक द्वितीयको मक एक्जाम विथ फिडब्याक यही शनिबार 2075 माघ 12 गते दिउँसो 1 बजे स्मार्ट कार्यक्रमी बुद्धनगर काठमाडौँमा हुन लागिरहेको छ। यदि त्यस एक्जाममा सहभागिता जनाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने आजै आफ्नो नाम दर्ता गराउनुहोला यो दिएको नम्बरमा कन्ट्याक्ट गरेर। र अब लागौँ 50वटा एमसिक्यूतर्फ, जसमा 25वटा म्यानेजमेन्टका एमसिक्यू र 25वटा चाहिँ अकाउन्टेन्सीका एमसिक्यू ल्याएको छु मैले, जसमा म्यानेजमेन्टको पहिलो प्रश्न रहेको छ। The term job satisfaction refers to which of the following? Options are A. A collection of feelings that an individual has towards his or her job. Option B. The degree to which an individual identifies himself or herself with a job. Option C. The degree to which an individual identifies himself or herself with the organization. Option D. An individual's personal satisfaction. And the answer is A. A collection of feelings that an individual has towards his or her job. It is known as job satisfaction. The next question is, who propounded the factor theory? Options are A. Frederick Herzberg, B. Edgar Henry Skin, option C. Douglas MacGregor, option D. Michael Eugene Porter. And the answer is A. Frederick Herzberg. He propounded the factor theory. The next question is, mutual cooperation and networking is which of the following strategies? Options are A. Lose-win strategy, option B. Win-win strategy, option C. Franchise strategy, option D. Competitive strategy. And the answer is B. Win-win strategy. Mutual cooperation and networking is win-win strategy. The fourth question is, a list of job duties, responsibilities, reporting relationships and working conditions is known as. Options are A. Job enhancement, option B. Job description, option C. Job specification, and option D. Job enrichment. And the answer is B. Job description. A list of job duties, responsibilities, reporting relationships and working conditions is known as job description. The next question is, consider the following statements. Statement 1 says, coordination in an organization means complete control of the activities of the employees. Second statement states that coordination in an organization means to structure harmony among different units of the organization. Statement 3 says that coordination in an organization means removal of conflict and overlapping in the organization. And the options are A. 1 and 2 are true, option B. 1 and 3 are true, option C. 2 and 3 are true, and option D. 1, 2 and 3 all are true. And the correct answer is option C. 2 and 3 are true. The statements coordination in an organization means to structure harmony among different units of the organization, and coordination in an organization means removal of conflict and overlapping in the organization are true. The next question is, Michigan leadership studies are based on which of the following approaches? Options are A. Trait approach, B. Attitude criterion, option C. Behavior approach, and option D. Situational approach. And the answer is B. Attitude criterion. Michigan leadership studies are based on attitude criterion approach. The next question is, in management studies, content theory of motivation contains theories that are focused on how contented and motivated an employee is and what are factors that affect motivational level of employee. Find out content theories of motivation from the following. Options are A. Maslow's hierarchy of need, Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory, equity theory, expectancy theory. Option B. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, job design theory, McGregor's theory, X and Y theory, Herzberg's motivation theory. Option C. Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory, equity theory, expectancy theory, Henry Fayol's theory. Option D. Job design theory, Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory, job characteristics model, equity theory. And the answer is B. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, job design theory, McGregor's theory X and theory Y, Herzberg's motivation theory. The next question is, first step in planning process is to dash. Options are A. Set an objective. Option B. Evaluate alternatives. Option C. Determine strength and weaknesses. D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Set an objective. First step in planning process is to set an objective. Ninth question is, critical path planning is a tool used to ensure that all tasks are segregated and properly assigned to staff. Which of the following sequence or process of this tool is true? Options are A. Locate the project, list the stages, plan out the completion dates, assign work to the relevant staff. Option B. Locate the project, plan out the resources, decide the salaries, assign the work. Option C. Segregate duties, allocate resources, assign the work to each person. Option D. List the stages of the plan, assign the work, monitor the work. And the answer is A. Locate the project, then list the stages, then plan out the completion dates, then assign work to the relevant staffs. 10th question is, an autocratic leadership style is where manager individually control all decisions and little input is taken from group members. This leadership style is relevant in which of the following case? Options are A. When lots of inspiration is required. Option B. When employees need to develop and improve their skills. Option C. When rewards are distributed in accordance to the performance. Or D. In a catastrophe or emergency situation. And the answer is in a catastrophe or emergency situation. An autocratic leadership style is where manager individually control all decisions and little input is taken from group members. This leadership style is relevant in a catastrophe or emergency situation. 11th question is, which of the following does not fall under non-financial incentive? Options are A. Job enrichment, B. Responsibility of a task, option C. Job enlargement, option D. Pension. And the answer is option D. Pension. Pension does not fall under non-financial incentive. It falls under financial incentive. 12th question is, which of the following principle states that an organizational structure is effective if it enables individuals to contribute to the objectives of the enterprise? Options are A. Scalar principle, option B. Principle of functional definition, option C. Principle of unity of objective, and option D. None of the above. And the answer is principle of unity of objectives. The 13th question is, in line and staff organization, the staff performs the function of. Options are A. Management, B. Advising the management, C. Assigning responsibility, D. None of the above. And the answer is advising the management. In line and staff organization, the staff performs the function of advising the management. 14th question is, who among the following is the writer of the book General and Industrial Management? Options are A. Maslow, B. Henry Fayol, C. Oliver Sheldon, D. Elton Mayo. And the answer is Henry Fayol. The next question is, which internal IT service management processes and roles are most closely linked to service delivery management? Options are A. Only IT, financial management, and change management. Option B. All IT processes, roles, and functions that support and underpin the delivery of the service. Option C. None. Service delivery managers work on their own with no interface to supporting processes or functions. Option D. Only service level managers. And the answer is all IT processes, roles, and functions that support and underpin the delivery of the service. The next question is, according to Maslow's hierarchy theory, in order to motivate an employee, there are 5 basic needs that are meant to be fulfilled step by step. Choose correct order of needs from following. Options are A. Security, then physiological, then social, then esteem recognition, then finally self actualization. Option B. Esteem recognition, then self actualization, then physiological, social, and finally security. Option C. Physiological, then security, then social, then esteem recognition, and finally self actualization. And option D. Physiological, social, security, self actualization, and finally esteem recognition. And the answer is C. First physiological, then security, then social, then esteem recognition, and finally self actualization. 17th question is, horizontal communication takes place between dash. Options are A. Superior to subordinate. Option B. Subordinate to superior. Option C. Employees with the same status. And option D. All of the above. And the answer is C. Employees with same status. Horizontal communication takes place between employees with same status. 18th question is, which of the following factor does not involve in communication to employees? Options are A. Interviewing, B. Disciplining, C. Counseling, and D. Compensating. And the answer is D. Compensating. 19th question is, according to the management theories, a manager should possess which of the following skills? Options are A. Ability to create, initiate, and plan out an idea. Option B. To have technical knowledge and possess specialized expertise. Option C. To be able to work with others individually as well as in groups. And option D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. According to management theories, a manager should possess the following skills, which are ability to create, initiate, and plan out an idea, to have technical knowledge and possess specialized expertise, and to be able to work with others individually as well as in groups. The next question is, guiding and supervising the efforts of subordinates towards the attainment of the organization's goal describes the function of which of the following? Options are A. Planning, B. Organizing, C. Directing, and D. Controlling. And the answer is C. Directing. The next question is, job evaluation is a technique adopted for determining the dash of the job. Options are A. Internal worth, B. External worth, C. Internal and external worth, D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Internal worth. The next question is, who wrote the book The Principles of Scientific Management? Options are A. Henry Ford, B. Abraham Maslow, C. Frederick Winslow Taylor, option D. Derek S. Pugh. And the answer is C. Frederick Winslow Taylor. The next question is, monitoring administrative improvement and direction of goal accomplishment is called. Options are A. Planning, B. Controlling, C. Organizing, and D. Leading. And the answer is B. Controlling. The next question is, which of the following are the 4 basic pillars of an organization? Options are A. Vision, mission, goal, objective. Option B. Vision, mission, investment, objective. Option C. Growth rate, investment, mission, goal. Option D. Vision, mission, objective, and growth. And the answer is A. Vision, mission, goal, and objective. They are the 4 basic pillars of an organization. The 25th question is, the 3 important components in aligning business strategy with HR practices are. Options are A. Business strategy, human resource practices, and organizational capabilities. Option B, marketing strategy, human resource practices, and organizational capabilities. Option C, business strategy, human resource practices, and organizational structure. Option D, marketing strategy, human resource practices, and organizational structure. And the answer is A, business strategy, human resource practices, and organizational capabilities. Now moving on to the accountancy MCQ 25 accountancy MCQ. First one is, which accounting concept or principle states that the transactions of a business must be recorded separately from those of its owners or other business? Options are A, materiality concept of accounting. Option B, time period concept of accounting. Option C, matching principle of accounting. And D, business or economic entity concept of accounting. And the answer is D, business or economic entity concept of accounting. The next question is, the performance of tests of control is documented in which of the following? Options are A, working papers, B, flowchart, C, organizational chart, D, audit program. And the answer is A, working papers. The next question is, according to accrual concept of accounting, when is a financial or business transaction recorded? Options are A, when cash is received or paid. Option B, when transaction occurs. Option C, when profit is earned. And option D, when balance sheet is prepared. And the answer is B, when transaction occurs. The next question is, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1 states that real accounts are related to asset account which can be touched or felt. Statement 2 says that nominal accounts are related to income and expenses or losses and gains. Options are A, statement 1 only true. Option B, statement 2 only true. Option C, both statements are true. And option D, both statements are false. And the correct answer is C, both statements are true. Real accounts are related to asset account which can be touched or felt, and nominal accounts are related to income and expenses or losses and gains. The next question is, competitiveness can be best measured by which of the following? Options are A, gross margin, B, income margin, C, sales margin, and D, cost margin. And the answer is A, gross margin. The next question is, which of the following is a computation used to measure a company's ability to pay its short-term debt? Options are A, solvency ratio, B, liquidity ratio, C, turnover ratio, and D, profitability ratio. And the answer is B, liquidity ratio. Seventh question is, when closing stock is given in trial balance, then it will affect which of the following? Options are A, trading account only, B, balance sheet only, C, both trading account and balance sheet, and D, equity. And the answer is both trading account and balance sheet. The next question is, general office expenses are charged to which of the following head? Options are A, administrative expenses, B, marketing expenses, C, selling expenses, and D, financial expenses. And the answer is A, administrative expenses. Next question is, which of the following statement is false? Options are A, each account is opened separately in ledger. Option B, rent is a personal account, outstanding rent is nominal account. Option C, nominal accounts are transferred to profit and loss account. And option D, all real and personal accounts are transferred to balance sheet. And the answer is rent is a personal account, outstanding rent is a nominal account is false, because rent is a nominal account and outstanding rent is a personal account. The next question is, which of the following is not the main objective of accounting? Options are A, systematic recording of transactions. Option B, ascertaining profit or loss. Option C, ascertainment of financial position. And option D, solving tax disputes with tax authorities. And the answer is solving tax disputes with tax authorities is not the main objective of accounting. The next question is, the accounts which have their existence even after the close of the accounting year are known as? Options are A, nominal accounts, B. real accounts, C. permanent account, and D. revenue accounts. And the answer is B. real accounts. The next question is, what is the main purpose of internal check? Options are A. detection of fraud, B. prevention of fraud, C. help in in-depth auditing, option D. detection of errors, and the answer is prevention of fraud. The next question is, management audit is also known as, options are A. cost audit, B. cash audit, C. efficiency audit, D. final audit, and the answer is efficiency audit. The next question is, return on proprietors funds is also known as, options are A. return on net worth, B. return on shareholders fund, option C. current ratio, and option D. both A and B, and the answer is both A and B. Return on proprietors funds is also known as return on net worth or return on shareholders fund. The next question is, which of the following items should be subtracted from net income when using the indirect method of calculating cash flows provided by operating activities? Options are A. depreciation expense, option B. a loss on the sale of equipment, option C. a gain on the sale of land, option D. repayment of bonds payable, and the answer is a gain on the sale of land. The next question is, debt equity ratio is a subpart of which of the following? Options are A. long-term solvency ratio, option B. short-term solvency ratio, option D. debtors turnover ratio, and D. debt equity ratio, and the answer is long-term solvency ratio. The next question is in a journal voucher, the business transaction is recorded dash. Options are A. next day, option B. same day, option C. every week, option D. once in a month, and the answer is same day. The next question is, which of the following ratio refer to the ability of the firm to meet the short-term obligations out of its short-term resources? Options are A. leverage ratio, option B. liquidity ratio, option C. profitability ratio, and option D. all of the above, and the answer is B. liquidity ratio. The next question is, which of the following is the first phase of accounting cycle? Options are A. preparing journal, option B. posting entries to ledger account, option C. identifying an economic event or transaction, option D. making decisions in conflict situation, and the answer is identifying an economic event or transaction. The next question is, which of the following concepts states that the publication or presentation of financial statements should not be delayed? Options are A. objectivity concept, option B. reliability concept, option C. accountability concept, and option D. timeliness concept, and the answer is timeliness concept. The next question is, financial statements mainly help in which of the following? Options are A. assumption of economic events, option B. communication of economic events, option C. anticipation of economic events, and option D. recording of economic events, and the answer is B. communication of economic events. The next question is, which one or both aspects of a transaction are recorded in the wrong class or category of account? It is known as. Options are A. error of principal, option B. error of original entity, option C. error of commission, and option D. error of omission, and the answer is error of principal. When one or both aspects of a transaction are recorded in the wrong class or category of account, it is known as error of principal. The next question is, endorsement, discounting, and collection of bills of exchange is made by. Options are A. debtors, B. creditors, C. drawer, and D. drawee, and the answer is C. drawer. The next question is, accounting provides information on which of the following? Options are A. cost and income for managers, option B. financial condition of an institution, option C. company's tax liability for a particular year, option D. all of the above, and the answer is all of the above. Accounting provides information on cost and income for managers as well as financial condition of an institution and also company's tax liability for a particular year. And today's last question is the time period between placing an order its receipt in stock is known as. Options are A. Carrying time, B. Lead time, C. Overtime, D. Shortage time. And the answer is B. Lead time. हस् यही प्रश्न साथै आजको भिडियो यहीँ टुङ्गाउन चाहन्छु। जसले नेपाल राष्ट्र ब्याङ्क सहायक द्वितीयको मक एक्जाम विथ फिडब्याक यही 2075 माघ 12 गते शनिबारका दिन दिउँसो 1 बजे स्मार्ट करियर एकाडेमी बुद्धनगर काठमाडौँ जुन बुटोल पावर कम्पनी लिमिटेड नजिकै रहेको छ त्यहाँ हुन लागिरहेको छ। शुल्क रहेको छ रु100। यदि तपाईँ पनि यसमा सहभागिता जनाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने यहाँ दिएको नम्बरमा सम्पर्क गरेर नाम दर्ता गराउनुहोला। र साथसाथै नेपाल राष्ट्र ब्याङ्कको 7 दिने क्र्यास कोर्स पनि हुन लागिरहेको छ। 15 गतेभन्दा पछि नै हुनेछ यो। आजै आफ्नो नाम दर्ता गराउनु होला। हामी ट्विटर, फेसबुक, इन्स्टाग्राम, टेलिग्राममा अभाइलेबल छौँ स्मार्ट जिके 4 नामले। मनोहर सर, मनोहर झा 4 नामले अभाइलेबल हुनुहुन्छ भने स्मार्ट करियर एकाडेमी स्मार्ट जिके 4 नामले अभाइलेबल छ। लाइक, फलो, मेसेज गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। र यदि हाम्रो भिडियोहरू मन परिरहेछ भने लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेन्ट, सजेस्ट र सेयर गर्दै गर्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।